Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Hi everyone, I'm CA Rachana Khare, your mentor, coach, and educator at Anecdotes. My dear friends, I'm connecting with all of you here today to help you broaden your perspective a little and to curb your exam anxiety. Exam anxiety हमेशा होती है, हर एग्जाम के पहले होती है. CA स्टूडेंट्स के लिए थोड़ी सी ज्यादा बढ़ जाती है. So guys, all of you who are writing your CA exams, एक बात बहुत ही important है आप सबके लिए जानना कि ये जो fear of attempts होता है ना, which is inherently there at the back of our mind, this is a reality for all CA students. Whoever ever attempted CA exams has done so in the fear of attempts, dreaded by what if I don't clear. Resonates? सब resonate करेंगे इस बात से. Well, when I was skeptical and was trying to attempt my exams, my dad said something wonderful that changed my perspective. And I want to share that with you today. He said, prepare as if there is no next time. Give your best. Exam के पहले सब कुछ करो. Don't leave any stone unturned. हर वो काम करो जिससे आपको लगता है आपको एग्जाम क्लियर करने में मदद मिलेगी. But अब अगर पेपर में खुदा न खास्ता थोड़ा बहुत कुछ पंगा हो जाए, भाई कुछ ऐसा हो जाए कि आपका पेपर बढ़िया बना, बहुत बढ़िया नहीं बना, so just don't die in guilt after that. Don't curse yourself. Life doesn't stop. It doesn't come smooth always. That's life. So remember that there is always a next chance to prove your mettle. So be sporty. इसी स्पिरिट के साथ जाइए. आपका ये जो आपने बेस्ट अभी तक प्रिपरेशन की है, अपना बेस्ट दिया है, इसको जाइए साकार कीजिए. And be happy always. Give your best to these exams. Embrace exams and you'll definitely fetch results. Take care. God bless you guys.